Who possesses faith? Shraddha, Vishwas. Oh yeah, I have some faith. I have some Shraddha. But do you have Sudrida Vishwas? Sudrida. Shraddha reinforced by Sharanagati. Shraddha reinforced by Bhakti. Devotion, surrender, mixing together, is that imbued and that's mixed in your Shraddha? Then, otherwise we will have Komala Shraddha. Very soft, pliable, weak faith. Well, gee, I don't think it's possible, and I don't think the holy name can do that, or maybe for you, but not for me, and my guru's like this, like that. Guru is only one, Acharya Vijanayam. There's no such thing as, there's nowhere in Shastra it says Kanishta Guru, Madhyam Guru, Uttam Guru. These words are describing the adhikar, the qualification of a bhakta, and measuring how much faith he has. Guru is Guru. Oh, my Guru is, it's not Uttam Guru. There's nowhere, you read anywhere in Sandarbhas, there's no description of Uttam Guru. It says that one should try to take initiation from a devotee who has a lot of qualification. Uttam means a lot, right? Uttam means topmost. It means it's way up there. Uttama. Uttama adhikar means qualification, lakshana. He has a lot of it. He can really convince me and remove all my doubts. And he really has faith in his guru and the holy name and the process of nam sadhana. So he has the adhikar of an uttam, and he's also initiating. So, but this is, you don't measure guru. Is he madhyam? Once you're a guru, you're uttam. You have all the qualification to convince and give everything. Guru is guru. Show me anywhere in Shastra where there's such a thing, Kanishta Guru. You show me anyone. I challenge anyone. Show me anywhere in Shastra it says Madhyam Guru. Oh, my Guru's a Kanishta. I have to go to Radhakund. Get, upgrade my ticket. I have to recharge my cell phone. My batteries are weak. It must be my Guru. Hey, can you do some easy charge on me? Oh, hey Babaji Maharaj, can you do easy charge? Can you charge up my bhakti cell? Can I plug into my bhakti cell? This is crazy. Acharya Mam Vijanayam Nava Manyata Harichit. Guru is Guru. It is a Akhanda Tattva. Either you're Guru or you're not. That's it. Boss. It's not, well, he's a Bhariya Guru. Acha? Oh, what's a Choti Guru? He's Bhara Guru means has so many titles, this, that. So what is Ainger? Is Ainger GBC? No. Is he BBT? No. Is he temple president? No. Is he sannyasi? No. He's just Ainger, Ainger does. But he's Guru. He's Shuddha Bhakta. He's Siddha. He's gone. He's there. He's in the Leela. Everything's significant. Die in Vrindavan, die in Ratrikal, die in the middle of Ras Leela, cooking for the deities, meditating. Where else can he go? Meditating on your Siddhadeya as a Gopi Manjari, a Palyadasi of Radharani, doing your Palyadasi Seva Bhav of cooking, meditating on, where else can he go? Probably, but Aindra's having such a bhav for Nam Sankirtan, he'll be born in Vrindavan. And join the Kirtan, join Krishna Balar Mandir and head up the 24-hour Kirtan party. Krishna Balar Makanda Kirtan Mandali ki. Because he's dedicated. He's not a salvationist. Let me out of here. I want to go back home, back to Godhead. That's a salvationist, neophyte conception. Oh God, save me. Gorbachao. But a Madhyam, he thinks, I go or I don't go. Nadanam najanam nasundarim kavidyamba jagarisha kamaye. Mama janmani shre bhavatad bhaktir ahoita kitwai. Birth, death, I don't care. Koine vichar. If you have bhakti, you have Radha. If you have Radha and you have Krishna. If you have Radha and Krishna, you have their Prem Seva. In New York and Moscow and Delhi so this is the point. This is, it's a glorious day, and we want to remember the teachings, the life and teachings of the Vaishnavas. Vaishnav Charitra. Vaishnav, their characteristics, their teachings. Only by remembering Aindra was I able to even come back to be here. It's too much for me. But I said, well, he wants everybody to do Hari Nam, so forget all the, sentiments and all the, mushy stuff because I'm like one of those sentimentalists, just some neophyte, sahajya, as people say. So I'm sorry, it's hard to control your heart. But then I thought, Indra, you wouldn't like to see me so, mushy right now. I better chant Hare Krishna. So I said, Indra, come on, I'm a little patla, Indra's a little mota. He's strong in all departments. He's strong in body, strong in bhakti, and I'm like everywhere patla. But Indra, I remember embracing Indra so many times. I said, hey, don't crush me. I'm just a little tiny creeper. So it takes strength. We take strength by remembering pure devotees like Nitya Leela Pravishta Shripad Srila Indra Prabhu. Remember these devotees. By remembering these qualities, Padma Puran says, 1/6 of the virtue of that devotee comes inside your heart. Like now, just apply that materially because I think you can understand this better. Say you meditate on Ambani. So you meditate on Ambani and all his wealth. You think of all his money, rupees. And then by doing that, all of a sudden your bank account increases by 1/6 of his bank account. Would you settle for that? Would that be enough? Yes. That's a lot. That's like 50,000 million crores or something. Uncountable crores. So that's understandable by meditating on a rich man. Like that. So that's the karma, that you get the karma fall. But so meditating on a pure devotee, meditating on Gurudev, meditating on Srila Prabhupada, or your Gurudev, or a great devotee like Indra. He's like they say in the West, he's an ascended master. They have these terms in these books on meditation. The ascended masters. They use all these terms. Wow, the ascended masters. So he's an ascended master. He's an ascended spiritual master. He's a Nam Guru, the Shravana Guru. The Shravana Guru, the Shiksha Guru, the Nam Guru. For everyone. Me and all the members of ISKCON and other people also. This is, we have to now become tight in our relationship with instructions. We won't be able to see his Vapu, his Divya Vapu. His divine form is no longer visible to us in the external senses. We have to see him in his teachings and see him in our memory. And always remember this Vaishnava. He reasons ill who say that Vaishnavas die. Right? Well, thou art living still and sound, or how's it go? He reasons ill who say that Vaishnavas die. Right? Because they're always living in sound, and when they're living, they spread the holy name around. So their sound vibration is eternal. Shabda. Shabda is eternal. Nitya Swara. Nitya Shabda. Shabda Brahman. Who his teachings, his holy name, his kirtan. So he's glorious. He made it. He's a winner. He won the Olympics. He won the Bhakti Olympics. He attained perfection in one lifetime. In a short few years, he was only 56 years old. And he joined in 1974. So how many years is that? How many years ago? 36, oh that's interesting. 36 years. That means 3 yugas. In astrology, every 12 years is considered a yuga for the human being. It's a major time period. So after finishing 36 years service of Radha Shyama in the holy name, then it's very interesting. Usually when there's yuga shifts, when somebody's been doing something for 12 years, working, living, this, that, the other thing, then there's sometimes he changes. Gets divorced, or gets a new job, or moves to a new country, or this or that. It's often there. You'll see everywhere. Even Shastras, you'll see 12, 12, 12. 12,000 years, and Prishnigarbha and Sutapa. Prishnigarbha and Sutapa, they meditated for 12,000 celestial years. This 12 is very big. Shankaracharya went to Joshimath, and he did tapasya for 12 years in Joshimath in one gufa. Shankaracharya. So 36 years, he lived to be 56. At the age of 20, at 20 years old, he joined Prabhupada's Sankirtan movement and fully dedicated his life. So in 36 years, he attained perfection in Krishna Prema, Prem Prayojana. entered the lilas of Radha and Krishna, realized his Siddhadeha, left this world sprinkling everyone's mind and heart with Shuddha Nam and wonderful Siddhanta. A great gem in the crown of Bhakta, the Bhakta, let's say the Bhakta Mukut. Srila Prabhupada's Bhakta Mukut. Is it right? Mukut means crown. The crown of devotees, Prabhupada's crown of 5,000 jewels, diamonds and rubies and emeralds and pearls, Hira and Mota and Neelam. Prabhupada has this beautiful diamond, this beautiful crown with all his jewel-like devotees are there. So Indra is one of those great gems and jewels of Prabhupada's heart. So this should give us great faith. Nam Shraddha. Prabhupada, Guru Shraddha, increase our Guru Bhakti, our faith in Guru. Yes! We say everything's here. It means that Krishna is here, this holy name is here, Guru is here, and the only thing missing is us. Are we here? Now, our contribution is Sharanagati, surrender. Atma Samarpanam. Mantan Dan Guru Samarpan, Krishna Samarpan. Everything's submitted and surrendered at the lotus feet of the Lord and His pure devotee, Guru Dev. Live for His happiness, live for His satisfaction. And every moment chant the holy name, and every moment talk about Radha and Krishna and Gauranga. Nam, Rup, Gun, Lila. These are the teachings of the great devotees. They teach and they live the teachings. So I pray to Nitya Lila Pravishta Srimad Indra Prabhu that his teachings, his example, his attachment for the holy Dham, his attachment for Radha Shyam, and his attachment for the holy name and serving as Guru. I pray that all that wonderful attachment, all that asakti and bhav will come into my heart. And I pray that it will all come into your hearts also. And Indra's prabhav, and Indra's kripa, and Indra's shiksha, and Indra's holy name will forever resound in your mind and heart. Srila Indra Prabhu ki jai.